If you are looking to create your own trading strategy, then you are in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can look for your own trading strategy on the chart. Creating a trading strategy is much easier than you think. It all dials down to how much time and experience you have on the chart. Before we dive into this video, please subscribe and like the video so that you do not miss anything I release. When looking at the chart or market, you want to look for repeating market conditions. Market conditions that happen repeatedly and that your eye can keep up with or that your eye can capture. And when you find these repeating market conditions, you will need to review them in the form of a what? A back test. Trying to see exactly how it forms, trying to get the why it forms where it's forming. And can you actually use it to forecast the market? Let me make an example using the break-in market structure and trend change. As you can see that the market moved from this point to that point. Let's label this point A and let's label this point B. You'll be like, okay, the market moved here to here. How was I going to see that the market moved from point A to B? Checking it out, there's a trend. We have a trend which is a buying trend or a bullish trend, where the market moved from point A to point B. And where went point B now? Let's put back point B. B, you see. So let's look at this in the form of a gradient, the linear graph usually found in math. We have this gradient of this trend line being positive, meaning that the market moved from this point going up instead of down. So, meaning that the trend here was bullish. Okay, now let's check the opposite of this, where the market trend is bearish. We have our point A and our point B. Our point B. We can see that the market from A to B, the gradient of this trend line is negative because from A it doesn't go up but it goes down. So now you want to go through the market looking for something that is repeating all the time. As we can see here, what's repeating? That the market goes down and up, trending. You understand? And you ask yourself, how am I going to see that the market is starting to trend down? You start taking notes. You'll be like, okay, for example, we have the market not taking highs out during a downtrend. And we're not saying it's not going to take them out completely. Can you see it took this one out but came back down? So point one is taken. Point two is that the market keeps on breaking lows, breaking lows, breaking lows. You understand? And now you ask yourself, okay, how am I going to see that the market is going to turn and go up, right? You'll be like, okay, the market breaks the high. That's when we can include a breaking market structure. You understand? And that's how a breaking market structure was discovered. When the market is changing the direction, it always breaks the highs instead of the lows. You understand? Breaks the lows and it keeps on going higher. So when it breaks the highs here, breaks the highs and keep on going higher. And when it breaks those highs, you start to look for what? For buying trend. And you know that your gradient will be what? Positive. You understand? Until lows starts being broken and you can actually get out of the trade. So this is how you can actually go into the charts and look for your own strategy. I do have my own discoveries that I made, and if you would like to hear about them, comment in the comment section and let me know if you want to hear more about my discoveries on the Forex market. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video. See you on the next one.